Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Mama, can you hold this? Mama, I want to go over to the high school. It looks like it's coming towards us. Yeah. Mama, have I set off a firework before? Excuse me. This fireworks have been lasting for 3 minutes. Can you hold this? Just hold it like this. but don't hit stop recording, okay? You okay? You're welcome. Are you okay again? You're welcome. Gosh. It's been going on for 7 minutes. 7 more minutes. How long is it gonna go?
Probably about 10 minutes.
So 3 more minutes. Mama, hold it again. I'm gonna get a chair. Oh, I'm gonna get a chair.
Shut the door. Shut the door. Go shut up.
I don't know.
On the couch.
That's why I asked you to put her in the tree. Huh?
Scissor. Mama, how much minutes has your phone have been?
10 minutes.
Mine has been 9. Excuse me. Now it's been 10 minutes. this recording? When is it gonna end? It's been 10 minutes.
I found her. Yeah, everybody's parked in front of that baseball track and stuff over there.
Yeah, that's a high school.
Man, they get like a front row view of it.
I bet their ears kind of hurt.
Yeah, like laying down on the ground, you know, watching it, you know, style. That's a bright flashing light. I like that purple one.
Mama, how long are they gonna do it?
I don't know, honey.
But it's been 12 minutes. Bro.
Seems like they're doing the grand finale.
What's the grand finale?
It's where they do a lot of fireworks at the end.
At the end of what?
Like at the end of the show.
Oh.
There's something really big at the end of the show, and that's why they call it a grand finale.
Oh.
I'm waiting for this boom. Remember those and those? Boom. There you go.
I like that she's not really scared of fireworks. She's just kind of chilling.
Usually it is, but I think we got over it throughout the years.
That's good.
Because we had a wacko neighbor a couple houses up, and he would literally, in the middle of the street, put those 1,000-roll strips of black cats and whatever Roman things and let it go loose. You couldn't see for about a good hour. The entire block was just a cloud of all the shit that he was just throwing off.
Damn.
I mean, it was red, but you could not see nothing.
Oh my gosh. This is ending so.
Doesn't it look cool though?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, I know.
Oh my gosh. But this is going on forever.
echo or somebody else doing it as well further down the road?
The echo. That one was cool.
Yeah, this is definitely the grand finale.
There you go.
Oh my gosh. I'm definitely picturing this.
And part of that song, Elijah, bombs bursting in air, that's what they...
Mama. Hold this.
I feel bad for all the dogs in Mineral Wells now.
All right. Okay, turn.